Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're checking out the all-new 2026 Toyota Highlander, Toyota's popular three-row SUV that just got a bold redesign, smarter technology, and more efficient powertrains. The Highlander has always been a family favorite, and this 2026 model is ready to raise the bar. On the outside, the Highlander now looks sharper and more upscale. Up front, it gets a wider grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sportier bumper design that gives it a confident, modern look. Along the side, sculpted body lines and new alloy wheels make it look more athletic, while the rear features redesigned LED taillights and a cleaner tailgate. Under the hood, Toyota continues to offer versatile power options. Expect an upgraded 2.4-liter turbo engine in a hybrid version with even better fuel economy, perfect for families looking to save at the pump. All-wheel drive is available across trims, making it great for all-weather driving. Step inside, and the 2026 Highlander delivers space, comfort, and tech. A massive touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, paired with a fully digital driver display. Available features include leather seats, heated and ventilated seating, a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a premium JBL sound system. With seating for up to 8, the Highlander is built for families, road trips, and everyday life. When it comes to safety, the Highlander is fully loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That means adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a 360-degree camera on higher trims. On the road, the 2026 Highlander delivers a smooth, quiet ride with responsive handling. The hybrid model is especially impressive, balancing strong performance with excellent efficiency, making it one of the most reliable and family-friendly SUVs in its class. The 2026 Toyota Highlander continues to be one of the best all-around three-row SUVs you can buy, competing directly with the Honda Pilot, Hyundai Palisade, and Kia Telluride. So, what do you think? Is the new Highlander the ultimate family SUV for 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.